Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can do crypto arbitrage trading. So in this tutorial I'll be using Binance and gate.io or gate.com to show you this tutorial. So I have chose this coin, which is Core AI, and on Binance you can see it is Core AI. So crypto arbitrage trading is a point where you buy crypto on an exchange that is listing for a low price like this, and then you send it to an exchange like this which has a higher price. You sell that crypto and you send in form of USDT. Now let us take a look. Like here we can see that on Binance this crypto is being sold at low price. So if I decide to use, let's say like 1000 or 10,000 USDT to buy this amount of coins, I can sell at a higher price on this other exchange. So you can see I can make more money when I sell it on Gate here. And then you have to be looking for another coins which have the same opportunity. I also need to show you something. When you check on this chart, this coin reached a highest of $48, as you can see here on the end here, $48, but on Binance it only reached $16. Now here someone can buy when it is 16. Here it will be almost at $48, and then you have a chance of making a lot of money using this arbitrage trading. Now if you want to make more money using this arbitrage trading, just make sure that you look for more coins. Just research more coins, and also you can try to see, you can also use this strategy to be predicting where the market will be going. We have some exchanges that receive information lately, and the market will end up going the same direction as the faster exchange. So you can use a fast exchange to predict where the market is going. So like when I try to use this Binance and Bitgate, I found out that Bitgate was a little bit behind, especially when you are looking at Bitcoin or Solana. So you can use Binance to predict the market of Bitgate, and you can trade against those markets. Comment if you have a question and subscribe if you want more content like this. So thanks for watching.